Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the EcoWarm plug-in heater. Now as you can see, we have it here on Amazon, and if you actually look at the product, it's actually very small. Now for something this small, to heat a room or to heat an entire place would be too good to be true. It's just like one of those portable AC or air conditioning. It's just that this one is a heater. So the size of it is too good to be true since it's very small, and there's no way that it can cool an entire room. It may be hot, but it will only get hot when you put your hands or your the heater next to you. But anything farther from about 3 feet won't affect the heat. So as you can see right here, they claim that it is low power consuming, adjustable temperature, ideal for small indoor rooms, timer function, LED display, and portable and safe spacing. So as you can see, when you scroll down here to the reviews, they're rated 3 out of 5 views, which is actually pretty bad for a product since they have 402 global ratings and they have a lot of 1-star reviews. Actually, the majority of the reviews are 1-star. So as you can see, somebody said that it is noisy, not worth the money. I can't use this product. Poor durability, and basically a lot of people are saying bad things about them. So when we actually go here to their Trustpilot over here, they're rated 1.6 out of 5 stars, which is actually bad. And a lot of people are saying that heat pumps can get up to over 80% energy savings. Don't believe these types of publicity. Look for independent tests before considering. This is but a big scam to be avoided. And that should say a lot about this product and company. Since, like I said, something this small is too good to be true to heat an entire room. So this is basically just a scam. So please do not use this product. You're better off buying another heater or a bigger one to heat an entire room. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.